Good morning, my dear students. Uh, Hope everyone is good and safe at home. So, last class we were discussing about the seventh lesson, that is monkey puzzle tree. So, there we were discussing about some warm up activity. So, in that we have seen banyan tree, neem tree, mangoes tree, and tamarind tree. Hmm? So, that this lesson says monkey puzzle tree. Monkey puzzle tree in the sense, you know that monkey can climb to any tree, but there is a tree, okay, so which is on the earth. To that tree the monkey cannot climb easily, okay. So so it grows up to 7 feet, and then tall will be 150, and it can live more than 1,000 years. So this monkey tree leaves are soft and tender. So this is not soft and tender, it's no. Okay, now continue the things. But no matter what, the tree may remind one of the overall effect impressive because of the great height of the tree. As the tree matured, the ridges of the bottom of the trunk start to look like folds. The base of the trunk may eventually resemble an elephant foot. The lower branches of the tree falls off as tree grow, leaving the crown, the branches as at the tip and the tall trunk underneath. The crown is often umbrella shaped. Distinguishing features notwithstanding, the tree is interesting to study, but the leaves can be painful to touch. So here the author is saying, by looking this tree, so you may feel very happy. It's like a shape, okay. Sometimes are like a reverse umbrella. Hmm? But these lower branches are very hard, and the upper branches are little bit soft. But by looking it is very beautiful, but when you touch the leaves it is so hard, okay. Monkey puzzle tree bears canes on the upper branches. The canes takes 18 months or longer to mature. Like the leaves, the spink canes are interesting to observe, but can be painful to handle. As it says, the upper branches of the tree takes 18 months or longer to mature, means to grow like the leaves. So it is observed that it is the caring of this tree is not so easy, because we have to protect from 18 months and long, so means more than 1.5 year, or sometimes take it as 2 years only. But it is very painful to handle, means we cannot carry or we cannot grow in a home or like that. It should be grown in garden or in the open places. The seed of the monkey puzzle tree are large, okay, edible and believed to be delicious. So some sort of people says that this tree seeds are very large, and it is be treated as edibles, means it can be eat, and it's so delicious. They are about the size of an almond and form of staple food in part of the South America. So we will get this kind of trees and foods in the South America. They also have the spiritual significance for the indigenous people. The seeds are eaten raw or are boiled or roasted. So it's like a almond, it's like a kaju, we say it as. So these seeds can be eaten roughly raw, or it may be boiled, or it may be roasted, means fried. They are also milled into flour that is used to make bread and fermented to make a beverage. Sometimes this seeds is used for making the beverage, means in the liquor. See, I just would like to read once again. But no matter what, the tree may remain one of the overall effect is impressive because of the great height of the tree. As the tree matured, the radius of the bottom of the trunk start to look like folds. The base of the trunk may eventually resemble an elephant foot. The lower branches of the tree fall off as the tree grows, leaving a crown of branches at the tip and the tall trunk underneath it. The crown is often umbrella shaped. Distinguishing features notwithstanding, the tree is interesting to study, but the leaves can be painful to touch. Monkey puzzle tree bear cones of the upper branches. The cones takes 18 months or longer to mature. Like the leaves, the spinky cones are interesting to observe but can be painful to handle. The seeds of the monkey puzzle tree are large, edible, and believed to be delicious. They are about the size of an almond or form of staple food in parts of South America. They also have a spiritual significance for indigenous people. The seeds are eaten raw or are boiled or roasted. They are also milled into a flour that is used to make bread and fermented to make a beverage. Outside of continue, outside of their native habitat, monkey puzzle tree grow well in Britain and in the Pacific northwestern region of North America. Usually this tree grows in Great Britain and Pacific Ocean near that is northwest, that is North America. They also grow in northern California and it's some other part of North America. It grows in towards the California areas, countries, and some part of North America. So this the basically monkey trees puzzle tree grows in Britain, in North America, and in some part of California. Outside of these native habit, monkey puzzle tree grow well in Britain, in the Pacific Northwest region of North America. They also grow in northern California and in some other parts of North America. The tree does best in the mild climate that receive a good supply of rain and likes full sunlight. So means usually this tree needs rain, means needs so much of water and it needs full sunlight. So then only it will grow beautifully or grow higher. It grows in a wide variety of soils as long as they are well drained. So these trees can be grown in a different soils also, but depends upon the drain. The tree will tolerate salt sparing from the ocean. However, it does not do well in a hot, dry climate or in the polluted area. The specialty of this tree is in this paragraph. This tree will tolerate the salt, means in the seas, near to sea also, near to beach also, this tree can grow on in the ocean side. However, it doesn't do well in hot. So if there is a hot place, it may not grow easily, and in dry climate also, okay, and in polluted areas, means in cities side. So this specialty of this tree is the tree does best in the wild climate that receive a good supply in rain and likes a full sunlight. It grows in the wild varieties of soils after long they are wild dried. So the tree will tolerate the sun